Hey everyone, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Again, today we are outside and we're looking at a cooler. You're wondering, why are we looking at a cooler? Well, last week I went to use it and I lifted the lid up, and when I lifted the lid up, the whole thing went flying through the air, and I thought this thing was gonna go up to Mars. I lifted it up so hard. So to my surprise, I looked on Amazon and you're able to get the replacements for like $7. And here's the replacement number, if you can see that. But all you have to do is just Google or into Amazon. This is a Colman Extreme Cooler, and the reason why I want to save this is because this is an expensive cooler. You know, $7 versus $60, $70, $80. I don't even know what these go for, but this cooler holds the ice very well. We can have hot extreme weather and everything stays cold. So what we're gonna do is remove the screws. And again, this isn't that hard to do. You don't have a power drill like this. Oh, and they also give you replacement screws too. If you don't have a screw gun like that, you can use just a regular Phillips screwdriver. So yeah, just make sure that these tabs are on the outside. And like I said, this isn't that big of a deal, but you know, sometimes it's just good to have a little stuff on YouTube to help people out. I know I use YouTube not only to make videos, but sometimes it comes in handy to do other things. All right. I just got to make sure I pick up the old screws because I'm going to drive over them. All right, here's the other side. Let me turn this a little bit because I want you to see what I'm doing here. Just like anything else, things do tend to deteriorate. You know, coolers sitting when we're camping out in the sun or somewhere out on the beach or just anywhere. Things don't last very long. So I try to make this cooler last. And like I said last week when I went to use this, man, it freaked the heck out of me. All right, let's turn this baby around. Just like that. Got yourself a new cooler. All right. I have to tighten up the other side a little bit more. I didn't want to strip anything out. All right, again, Amazon, or if you know any other places that sell hinges like that, help yourself. But that should do it. That was easy enough. It took what, a whole 5 minutes. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. I will have more videos coming up. And like I said, don't hesitate to subscribe. I subscribe to a lot of people and I watch a lot of their videos. So, all right, thanks. Bye.